Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Simran. Today I'll be sharing my reviews on this Muji skincare brand, which is a Japanese brand available only on AJIO, and the products are quite reasonable. So yeah, without further wasting time, let's go through the products. First product that I tried is the Muji's Light Toning Water. It is around rupees 290. The major ingredient in this product is water with some humectants into it. It has a very watery sort of texture and it absorbs very quickly and it will suit all skin type. But if we compare this toner with other toners in the market, then it was an okay product. Like I tried this for 1 month and the performance was okay, ingredients are okay, like nothing exceptional or nothing you should expect more at this price. But for teenagers and for college going students and for the beginners and for the starters, according to the price range, you can go for this product. It is like an okay product, a beginner friendly product. So yeah, this toner has mediocre ingredients with mediocre performance. Do not expect much from this product. So the second product that I tried is a Muji moisturizing milk. It has silicone to it, but when you actually apply this product, you will feel that it is more of a water based moisturizer. It feels light on the skin and will suit all skin type. The thing I love most about this product is that it has humectant, it has emollient, and it has also some seed oil, and yet it is very lightweight onto your skin and it is very moisturizing. So the people with dry skin will love this, the people with oily skin will also going to love this, but would not suggest this for the humid climate. But when the climate is dry and not very humid, the people with oily skin can really try this product. And yeah, this was one of my favorite product from the Muji purchases because it was worth buying. It is moisturizing, it does its job, and yeah, I would be purchasing this product. So yeah. The next product from Muji is Muji All-in-One Gel. Although inside it was marketed as an anti-aging care gel containing ingredients such as pomegranate, strawberry, collagen, actually received the product and went through its ingredient list. There was nothing like that, and it has a very basic ingredients just to moisturize the skin, and I was highly disappointed with this because this cost around rupees 490, and this was the most expensive purchase of the Muji things that I have got. And it has nothing to do with anti-aging. It has no anti-aging ingredient, it has just moisturizing ingredients, and it is wrongly marketed, and I felt as if I had been deceived. Like what they have mentioned is completely different from what I got. And this, so now coming to the product, do not take this product as an anti-aging cream, but regard this as a moisturizing gel. Although it is very oily on the skin, and the people with oily skin are not going to love this product because it feels a bit heavy, but people with dry skin may love this product because it feels quite moisturizing and it retains the moisture for a longer period of time, and it has rose oil as the last ingredient. So yeah, that's it. Definitely not going to buy this product again at this price. Now my final views on Muji brand is that the products are quite reasonable. Some of the products are essential oil free, but the thing is that they have very mediocre ingredients. The performance is also very mediocre. There is nothing impressive about this product. Like I would not like to buy their toners or essence again. Like I will stick to their moisturizing milk or moisturizing product because first of all they are affordable and they does their job well, that is to moisturize the skin. And I think that is the USP of this Muji brand, that is to moisture the skin. And I think I would like to invest more onto their moisturizing milk, moisturizing cream and all that stuff rather than their essences or toners or anything else, because there are better options in market when we look to the other toners and essences and the promising ingredients present into those other toners and essences. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like this video, you enjoy my channel. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to watch more such videos. Okay, bye.